How to make money as a kid. Hey young entrepreneurs, welcome back to Money Steam, where we're all about empowering kids like you to take charge of your financial futures. Today, we're diving into 20 incredible ways for kids and teens to not only make some serious cash, but also learn valuable skills along the way. Let's get started. Household chores and commission. Let's kick things off with good old-fashioned household chores. But here's the twist. Instead of just doling out allowances, why not introduce the concept of earning money through commission? Kids and teens can tackle a variety of tasks, from vacuuming and dusting to organizing closets and doing laundry. Not only will they earn money, but they'll also learn essential life skills like responsibility, time management, and the value of hard work. Yard work and outdoor tasks. Get outside and get active with yard work and outdoor tasks. Kids and teens can lend a hand with mowing the lawn, trimming hedges, pulling weeds, and even planting flowers. Not only does it provide an excellent workout, but it also teaches important lessons about perseverance, attention to detail, and the satisfaction of a job well done. Car detailing. Turn car cleaning into a profitable venture. Kids and teens can offer car detailing services including washing, waxing, vacuuming, and interior cleaning. It's a hands-on way to learn about the automotive industry, customer service, and the importance of attention to detail. Plus, it's a great way to bond with family members while sprucing up the family vehicle. Assist with side hustles. Got a parent or family member with a side hustle? Get involved and lend a helping hand. Whether it's packaging products, managing social media accounts, or assisting with customer inquiries, teens and kids can gain valuable insights into entrepreneurship and small business management. Plus, it's an excellent opportunity to learn about marketing, sales, and financial literacy. Bake sales. Who doesn't love the smell of freshly baked goodies? Host a bake sale and showcase your culinary skills while making some extra cash. From cookies and brownies to cupcakes and muffins, there's no shortage of delicious treats to tempt customers. Not only does it provide an opportunity to practice baking and decorating skills, but it also teaches important lessons about budgeting, pricing, and marketing. Lemonade stands. Quench thirsts and make money with a classic lemonade stand. Whip up a batch of homemade lemonade, set up a stand in a high-traffic area, and watch the dollars roll in. It's a fun and refreshing way to earn money while learning about supply and demand, pricing strategies, and customer service. Plus, it's a great opportunity to practice social skills and interact with neighbors and passers-by. Garage sales. Declutter your space and make some extra cash with a family garage sale. Gather unwanted items from around the house, set up tables in the driveway or yard, and invite neighbors and friends to shop. It's a great way to teach kids and teens about organization, negotiation, and salesmanship. Plus, it's a chance to practice environmental stewardship by giving pre-loved items a second chance. Recycling for cash. Go green and earn some green with Recycling for Cash. Collect aluminium cans, plastic bottles, and other recyclables, and redeem them for money at recycling centers or scrap yards. It's a simple yet effective way to make money while also helping the environment. Plus, it's a great opportunity to learn about sustainability, resource management, and the importance of recycling. Lawn maintenance services. Put those landscaping skills to good use and offer lawn maintenance services to neighbors and community members. Whether it's mowing lawns, edging sidewalks, or trimming bushes, there's always demand for reliable lawn care services. It's a great way to earn money while getting some exercise and enjoying the outdoors. Plus, it teaches important lessons about professionalism, time management, and customer satisfaction. Pet sitting and dog walking. Calling all animal lovers. Offer your services as a pet sitter or dog walker and earn money while spending time with furry friends. Whether it's feeding, walking, playing, or providing companionship, there's always demand for responsible pet care services. It's a great way to earn money while gaining valuable experience in animal care, responsibility, and trustworthiness. Tutoring. Share your knowledge and help others succeed by offering tutoring services in a subject you excel in. Whether it's math, science, language arts, or music, there's always demand for academic support. It's a great way to earn money while making a positive impact on someone else's life. Plus, it's an opportunity to reinforce your own understanding of the subject matter and develop valuable teaching and communication skills. Babysitting. Provide childcare services and earn money while giving parents a well-deserved break. Whether it's babysitting for a few hours in the evening or watching kids during the day, there's always demand for responsible and trustworthy caregivers. It's a great way to earn money while gaining valuable experience in child development, safety, and communication. Plus, it's an opportunity to build strong relationships with families in your community. Summer jobs. Make the most of your summer break by securing a part-time job or seasonal employment opportunity. Whether it's working as a lifeguard at the local pool, serving as a camp counselor, or assisting with landscaping and maintenance, there are plenty of opportunities to earn money and gain valuable work experience. It's a great way to develop important skills, build a resume, and save money for future goals and expenses. Start a small business. Turn your passion into a profitable venture by starting your own small business. Whether it's selling handmade crafts, offering photography services, or providing tutoring sessions, there are endless possibilities for young entrepreneurs to pursue their interests and earn money. It's a great way to develop entrepreneurial skills, learn about marketing and sales, and gain hands-on experience in business management. Plus, it's an opportunity to make a positive impact on your community and pursue your dreams. Part-time employment. Secure a part-time job with an actual W-2 and earn a steady paycheck while gaining valuable work experience. Whether it's working in retail, hospitality, food service, or customer service, there are plenty of opportunities for kids and teens to earn money and develop important skills. It's a great way to learn about responsibility, professionalism, and teamwork while saving money for future goals and expenses. Virtual assistants. In today's digital age, there's a high demand for virtual assistants who can help with tasks like email management, scheduling appointments, data entry, and social media management. Teens with strong organizational and communication skills can offer their services as virtual assistants to busy professionals, entrepreneurs, or small businesses. It's a flexible and remote-friendly way to earn money while honing valuable administrative and technology skills. Content creation. With the rise of social media and online platforms, there's a growing demand for creative content creators who can produce engaging videos, photos, and written content. Teens and kids with a knack for storytelling, photography, videography, or graphic design can monetize their skills by creating content for brands, influencers, or their own personal channels. It's a creative and dynamic way to earn money while building an online presence and honing multimedia skills. Social media management. Social media has become an essential marketing tool for businesses of all sizes, and many are looking for help managing their online presence. Teens and kids with a good understanding of social media platforms and trends can offer their services as social media managers, helping businesses create and curate content, engage with followers, and analyze performance metrics. It's a valuable skill set to develop and a great way to earn money while staying connected to the digital world. Resume writing and editing. As teens prepare for college applications, internships, or part-time jobs, there's a demand for assistance with resume writing and editing. Teens and kids with strong writing and editing skills can offer their services to peers or adults looking to polish their resumes and stand out in a competitive job market. It's a valuable service that can help others achieve their goals while earning money and building a portfolio of work. Coding and programming. In today's technology-driven world, coding and programming skills are in high demand. Teens and kids with an interest in computer science and technology can offer their services as freelance coders or programmers, helping individuals or businesses develop websites, apps, or software solutions. It's a valuable skill set to develop and a great way to earn money while contributing to the digital economy. And there you have it, folks. 20 incredible ways for teens and kids aged 10 to 17 to make money and kickstart their entrepreneurial journey. Whether it's offering virtual assistants, creating content, or planning events, there are endless opportunities to earn money and learn valuable skills. Which idea are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more money-making tips. Until next time, stay savvy and keep hustling.